Hello friends, good morning. How are you? My friends, very good morning. Welcome to all my online lectures. So, now I share my PPT. Friends, our school name is Shikshan Ratna Pradeep Dattatray Samant Vidyalaya Nehru Nagar Kurla. Today is Monday. Today's date is 25th January 2021. Standard 4th. Subject EVS 1. Topic Management of Community Life. It's called Marathi word समूह जीवनातील व्यवस्थापन किंवा समूह जीवनाचे व्यवस्थापन. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Correct. There are families. Whose families? Listen. This is Shraddha. This is Aisha, and this is Emily. Means there are three families. Means Shraddha, Aisha, and Emily's parents decided to take a trip in summer vacation. So they booked a special mini bus. Early in the morning, they got ready and they waited for bus on long time. But bus didn't arrive, means did not arrive long time. When they inquiries on the phone, they realized that the bus of driver do not know where exact they are waiting. Finally, the bus arrived and they all set off on the trip. Now you tell me what you see in this picture. Correct. Finally the bus came and they all set up and go on the trip. What caused the confusion in the trip? Correct. The driver of the bus did not know where exactly they were all waiting. Finally, they go on the trip and enjoy the trip. They all going on or went to the sea Sindhurga fort. Where they were gone? See in the Sindhurga fort. They all enjoy the trip. They got information about the Sindhurga forts. They enjoying, their children enjoy the trip very well. Now you tell me, what would you suggest to avoid this kind of confusion? Correct. To do any kind of work smoothly, some management is required. Why they were all late? Because they did not coordinations. Both means Shraddha, Emily and Aisha's parents and bus of drivers do not coordination. So first one, mind that anyone works at the correct time to do any kind of work smoothly. Some management is required. The first step in management is to prepare an outline. You know that what is meant by management? Management is to prepare an outline of how and when do work properly and done. All of you understood? The first step in the management is to prepare an outline of how and when the work do properly and then done work. Everyone do work properly and smoothly. So one of them decide which is work to do, when work do. Suppose anyone do mistakes, any mistake, the works become spoil or slacks. So each one do work properly and smoothly. So everyone has important that coordination is important. Any work doing coordinations. So this is management is important. Last year students decide that they making or prepare sandwich. So all friends, Ishan and their friends come together. They decide which items they needed. So Ishan's brought bread, Sayuj bought tomatoes, pieces of tomatoes and pieces of beets. Prathamesh brought chutney, etc. Then they prepare very well sandwich and serve all teachers and their friends. They do their work properly because they all decide very well. Their decisions are well and they do work very well. They all them working in coordinations. Their management is very well. Now suppose everyone works, when we work, everyone work, all works has needed management. Suppose I invite my guest for lunch, then I decide which dish prepare. So suppose I prepare from them for lunch sweets gavan. So which ingredients for wanted? Rice or jaggery. Suppose I prepared idli and dosa. So which ingredients needed them? Correct, small rice, urad dal, etc. and nariyal chili. This is sambar chutney and this is chutney. This is sambar chutney and these are idli and medu vada, and it's called sweet gavan. How to make sweet gavan? Correct. Take weighted small rice, then mixture them and prepare the gavan and put them jaggeries and coconuts mixture. Your gavan is ready. It's called mixture of coconut and jaggeries sweets. It's called dosa. Now, how to working in school, running in school management. What needed there are? Correct. Look here. Everyone children's get joyful education. They develop their activities, all they participate in all activities. For example, yoga, exercise, मनाचे श्लोक. Next one, they write all students reading and writing skill develop. So everyone class has choose representative. How they choose representative? Correct. Everyone class have need representative. What's work representative? Minding the class, clean the blackboard, check there are available chalks and dusters, help every students or classmates in studies, minding the class, helps special need childs, guides all students how to do yoga. This is class management. Now we see how to run school management. School management committee running the school. The school management committee works to ensure the all around development of children. What's the work do school management committee? It's called school. First one, there is a president of school management committee and all members. Attention to all students and teachers. Their working progress are very well. They attend class always. They come to school right times. How they follows instructions. All students gets midday meal. All works do properly. So school management committees is important all of schools. The school management committee works to ensure the all around development of children. Look here, this is school management committee. One of them choose president of school management committee. All members, they all develops to school progress means all teachers guides regularly, students develop how they participate all activities, how they develop their works, etc. Now there are there is triangle of education. One of them means headmistress, teachers and students. Headmistress always guide teachers and students. How to manage headmistress of a school? Headmistress is the administrative officer of the school. They manage planning to all works, how to progress to all students, observe to all works, guides to always teachers, non-teaching staff and students, how to get all students joyful education, guide to all and distributes works, all teachers and arrange many programs to develop students. Now, what do you see in this picture? Correct. The headmistress guide to all students and teachers. They provide all facilities to their students. For example, rubella. How to fight rubella? So then what do you see in this picture? All students took pledge. Where they took pledge? Correct. Go on the in the ground. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar ground. Mumbai Municipal Corporation invite to all school students inter school competitions. For example, this is school competition is sports. All schools involve these sports, participates and enjoy the sports, running, jumping, sack jumping, etc. Then winners students distributed prize and medals. Our headmistress welcome to winner students in Shlok Manache Shloks. School management requires picnics for students every year. We celebrate our school founder D.N. Samansar's birthday. Then our school management develop our school students various activities, for example sports, storytelling, and these functions is dance. Our students participates in dance in school program, school functions. Now everyone works have must management. If you manage your study properly, you learn better. How can you to do this? First one, fix a time for studying every day and follow it strictly. What you want? Fixed time study is most important. Make a list of things to be studied every week. For example, reading environment studies, part 1, lesson 3, or solving sums with fractions. Next one, study the items in your plan. For example, today what subjects I will study? Reading story or writing handwriting 20 lines, etc. Study the items in your plan. Take enough time to study each subject. What you do, most important, take enough time to study each subject, not only Marathi or English. Regularly you study all subjects. Do not avoid studying difficult subjects. In fact, finish studying them first. Suppose some children do not like math, some children do not like history or EVS 1. So what you do? Do not avoid means मराठी वर्ड. तुम्हाला जे कठीण विषय वाटतात ते टाळू नका. तर पहिलं काय करा, फिनिश स्टडिंग देम फर्स्ट वन. इफ यू हॅव फ्री टाईम पुट इट टू गुड यूज बाय स्टडिंग. मोकळ्या वेळात तुम्ही काय करायचं, त्याचा चांगला उपयोग करा. फिक्स अ पर्टिक्युलर टाईम फॉर प्लेइंग, वॉचिंग TV and resting. However, remember to spend only the much time for those activities. Next, for example, subjects, times and works. Marathi. All students join the online lecture 8 to 10 a.m. Then what you do? Take half hours rest. Then start your once again study. Subject Marathi 10:30 to 11 a.m. What do you do? Works. Reading means vachan. Next one, EVS 1. When you study 11:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. What you writing? Writing means so write down some question and answers. Next one, maths 12 to 1 p.m. What you do? Additions and tables. Next, EVS 2 4 to 4:30. What you do? Read the lesson means पाठाचे वाचन करा and write down answers. What you see in this picture? Correct. Vinay study at home and guide his mother how to write or reading. Abhijit enact the play. Sayuj solve the problems, then show his mother. Prathamesh write down tables and show his mother. Yash Draw the picture Chhatrapati Shivaraya and show them. Prathamesh, solve the problems and show them. Some students studying each other helps. Ainesh, reading and write down the past tense. For example, go, went, sing, sang, etc. This is geometrical figures. Then next one, you like play the game snake and ladder. Write down 5:30 to 6 p.m. This is your own timetable. What you do everyone as this. Now Monday, this is our timetable. This is my planning. Which subject I teach you every day. For example, this week which subject you learn. Monday 8 to 10 a.m. EVS 1. The lesson name is Management of Community Life. Tuesday 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Marathi. What you learn in Marathi? Correct. Konage ai. Wednesday 8 to 10 a.m. Maths. Measurements. For example, length. Thursday 8 to 10 a.m. English. Pudgy Wudgy Caterpillar. What we learn? Pudgy Wudgy Caterpillar. Next one, Friday 8 to 10 a.m. EVS 2. Dakshinetil Moim. And Saturday we going to learn yoga and making any things as you like. This is our syllabus, what we learn in every day or every week. This is my planning, means my management, what I teach you every day or every weeks. Next one, how do you get education in online? Look, when you join the online class, every day you learned different subjects. For example, what you learned, how to make meaningful words. Then this picture shows that some children means pragya reply me means give an answer when I ask him questions. This picture shows that Anshuman and his mother join online lectures and reply me. This picture shows that offline students took education. Swami Shinde read the lesson and I guide him. Then I planting in 5th June. This picture shows that we celebrate online Gokulashtami. This picture shows that we celebrate online Raksha Bandhan. Vinay and his sister. Vinay's sisters tied him a Rakhi. This picture shows that Savitribai Phule, we celebrate 3rd January as a Balika Din. This picture shows that we made paper works. This picture shows that Yash draw a pictures of flag. Tomorrow we will celebrate Republic Day. Various activities pictures. Now Yash draw this picture. Now what do you see in this picture? Correct. One schoolboy and girls cross the zebra crossing, and they see in this picture occur of accidents. Why these occur accidents? When you do not follow the rules of traffic rules, we confuse, then occur the accidents. रस्ता क्रॉस करताना तुमचं लक्ष नसाल आणि तुम्ही जर कन्फ्यूज झाले असाल तर अशा प्रकारे ॲक्सिडेंट्स होतात. सो व्हॉट यू डू मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टन्स रूल्स इज मेन इम्पॉर्टन्स. रूल्स community life can go on in a smooth and orderly manner. So rules is important, follow strictly. Every vehicles running on the road in left sides. So each vehicles going on or running in left sides, then do not we face accidents or occur an accidents. Everyone follow rules strictly. This is timetable of our school. Why does the fixed time of the school start? Correct. Everyone's childs come to school regularly or fixed times. Suppose Vinay or Yash decide I went to the school or go to the school at 9 a.m. Rishita decide I go to the school at 10 a.m. and when she want to return home, then what happen? The management is collapse, or when you do not follow the instructions or disciplines, then confuse all. So all schools decides fixed time to regularly. Fixed timetable is important to all of. Timetable is almostly important to all us. We study all subjects regularly, so timetable is important. Now how to running local self-government. Local self-governments, there are two parts: rural local self-government and urban aerial local self-governments. rural self governing body, gram panchayat, taluka samiti and jilla parishad. Next one, how to working our country's body. Union government is main government, it's called central government. Then state government. Third part, local governments, mean it's called union governments, means Kendra Sarkar. We choose our representative for union governments. They selected one of them prime minister, health minister, education minister, etc. Then state government, for example our Maharashtra. Maharashtra's chief minister is respected Uddhavji Thackeray, and our governor is Keshari. Then local government. There are two parts, municipality and panchayat. One of them municipalities parts, municipal corporation, means Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Thane Municipal Corporation, Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, etc. Municipal councils means smallest than municipal corporation. Ambarnath Badlapur Municipal Council. Then smaller than municipal council called Nagar Panchayat. For example, Murbad Nagar Panchayat, Devgad Nagar Panchayat, etc. Next one, Panchayat. There are three parts. One of them district Panchayat, intermediate Panchayat and village Panchayat. For example, Sindhudurga districts means Sindhudurga Jilla Parishad, Devgad Taluka Samiti and Tambaldek village, etc. Their functions means working, how they work. Gram Panchayat level, village level. Set up primary health centers, CHCS, etc. Ensures that constitutions makes dream of Gram Swaraj is realized, means everyone develop village, then develop our country. So last one part is village Gram Swaraj. Then Panchayat Samiti means block level. Set up hospitals and dispensaries, acts and as a link between Gram Panchayat and Jilla Parishad JDP. Jilla Parishad means district level. Set up hospitals and dispensaries, acts as a link between local bodies, Gram Panchayat and Panchayat Samiti and government. Now how they do work? Gram Panchayats, villagers elect their representative and one of them elect Sarpancha. Sarpancha take decisions how to develop our village, which facilities provide needed, etc. They convene Taluka Samiti and districts level. Gram Panchayat develop this is Tambaldek Gram Panchayat. Next one, this is Gram Panchayat's Karyalay, Ranjangaon. This is Tehsildar, means in taluka levels we want caste certificates or domicile certificates. All everyone paperworks do want. We went our Tehsil submitted all paperwork. They sanctions are and distribute we our certificates. Then state districts level Sindhudurga districts. This is Jilla Parishad of Sindhudurga's member of Sindhudurga ZP. They provide facilities all villages through Tehsil. This is Mayor of Brihan Mumbai means Greater Mumbai's Mayor Kishori Pednekar. This is our Maharashtra. Maharashtra's Chief Minister respected Uddhavji Thackeray and Governor is Koshari. Next one, this is our India's central governments. Our president is first person of our India country. Respected Ramnath Kovind is President of India and respected Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. They both develop our country. They works always for country. This is Parliament of our country. All Parliament's members take decisions and develop our country. Which daily facilities provide local body government? Bus, water for drinking, farming, etc. To playing, so provide park, street light, a van collecting garbage in a city. This is ideal village. All of you like? Very good. What is the first steps in management? The first steps in management is to prepare an outline of how and when the work is to be done. Why are rules made? Rules are made so that community life can go on in a smooth and ordinary manner. Who provides facilities for the daily needs people? Local government body provides facilities for the daily needs people. Which are local government's body? Gram Panchayat. In rural, Gram Panchayat, Taluka Samiti and Jilla Parishad. In urban, municipal corporation, municipal council and Nagar Panchayat. Dot is necessary to do any work. Management is necessary to do any work. Must be must be maintained among the people involved. Proper coordination must be maintained among the people involved. People elect their representative to the local government body. People elect their representative to the local government body. Local government body, Gram Panchayat, Taluka Samiti and Jilla Parishad, Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Corporation, etc. Thank you.